Didn't slide as I thought it would.
Here we go.
Hello everyone, we're here unboxing the Galaxy S10 regular, right?
Yeah.
No plus, no E, just 10. So here we go.
Straight from facts.
Yeah, this should be the box. If this for some reason is something else, then we're gonna unbox that. So here we go. I'm also not good at opening packages, so just keep that in mind. Our trusty scissors here. They're very good quality if you want some good scissors.
I am on charging.
Okay, so we got some recycled film, you know, to conserve, earth friendly. We got this, the receipt. So it is Samsung, you know, that's good. And then here it is. Get this out of the way. The Samsung Galaxy S10. It's finally here. So let's just look at the back real fast. It is the 128 gigabyte model. And there's a bunch of stuff that comes with it. You got your USB charger, headset, connector, guides, and all that stuff. But I guess we'll see that right now. I'm kind of moving around a lot. I probably shouldn't. So let's get right into this. Oops. So here is, hopefully, the phone.
Wow.
So, interesting, there's something over here. It's like a little tab. What is this? See a little tab there? I don't think it's anything. Whatever. So this is the phone. A Samsung Galaxy S10. And which, is this the black one?
Prism black.
Prism black. And I guess we'll see the whole crazy display that they have once we turn it on. And those cameras and everything else. It feels cold to the touch. It's pretty cool. So let's see what else is in the box. We got, like I said, the little charger thing, little brick. You got some AKG headphones, stereo headphones. They got little, seems like braided headphones. That's pretty cool. Oh, and different like little earbuds. So I guess you'll get to see just exactly how they sound. And we got regular USB-C, I think. Yes. And an adapter for USB-A to USB-C, I think. Yeah. So that's what's in the box. I think this is probably where all the paperwork is. For some reason I can get this little tab thing. Oh, there we go. Oh wait. So we got the eject pin, and then we should get, I think, just regular paperwork in here. Yep. Oh, it comes with the screen protector.
Ooh.
It's cool. Then you got just a reference guide and a bunch of other paperwork that no one ever reads. So we'll put that all off to the side because you're here to see the phone. So we're gonna power it up, see if it has any battery. Secured by Knox. You're gonna put it down. So you can already see that display. That I forget what they call, like the Infinity O display.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Okay, so we're gonna set this up and then we'll be back once it's all set up.